In this video, I will show you how to make a car in Lego Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and build a car is quite easy to do. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up the build menu and then navigate to the toys section. The first thing you're going to need is a dynamic foundation. So what you want to do is go ahead and build this first of all. Once that's done, come back into the toys menu and you want to go ahead and add some wheels. So you can choose the large wheel or the small wheel. It's completely up to you, but I'm going to go for the large wheel. And what I'm going to do is just go ahead and, as you can see, I'm building this as a car. So I'm going to put 2 on either side. So 2 on that side and 2 on this side. Once you've gone ahead and done that, come back into the build menu, and this time you want to go ahead and select thrusters. Again, you've got the choice between small and large thrusters, but I'm going to go for large thrusters. And what you want to do is add this to the back. So normally I add 2, so I'm just going to go ahead and add these to the back of the car. So I'm going to go ahead and put 1 there and 1 there. Finally, all you need to do is go ahead and select the activation switch from the toys menu and go ahead and add this onto your car, just like so. So I'm just going to pop this there, and our car is now set and ready to go. So now all you can do is jump onto your car and go ahead and interact with the switch, and as you can see, we've now got a car ready to go. You can of course add a steering wheel if you want to. This is just a basic car, but this is just to give you an idea of how to go ahead and build a car in Lego Fortnite. So of course you would do the same thing, but just add a steering wheel. But as you can see, the car works absolutely fine. It's fully functional and it's working absolutely fine. So that is how to go ahead and make a car in Lego Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.